African American, black, like, y'all West Indians, humble yourself. Because y'all think y'all so lit. Y'all swear y'all so lit. When the only thing y'all ever gave us was Oxtail and Nicki Minaj. Like, let's be clear. The only thing y'all ever gave us was Oxtail and Nicki Minaj. I don't like y'all music like that. That soca shit, get it out of here. That should give me a headache. Hate it.
Why are we crashing out? You see what I mean? Our focus and our attention should be on unity and on being a part of the revolution that's taking place. And this is what you're doing. The lowest vibrational fruit. The lowest of the low and the loudest. But all I got to say is this, because what you're not going to do is come and disrespect our music. Even though I'm Jamaican, you're not going to come for soca music like that. Okay? You're not going to come from Mr. Allison Hines. Okay? Roll it down, roll it down, roll, control it down, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down, roll, control it down, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down, roll, control it down, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down, control it down, roll it down. Roll it, gyal, roll it, gyal. Una got tired fisting with fierce. Can't get we out of the race. At this point, baby girl, just go in one corner and start crying. Yeah? Because the first shall be the last and the last shall be the first. Okay?